We begin with campaign 2024 on the road to November's election as the Wisconsin Supreme Court makes a bit of a U-turn, reversing a ruling of its own from just 2 years ago. Our Maddie Himes joins us now with how it may affect how you cast your ballot. Maddie?
Yeah, Eric, the reinstitution of the ballot boxes is thanks to the court tipping from a 4-3 conservative majority to a 4-3 liberal majority last year. But what makes ballot drop boxes a partisan issue in the first place?
Drop boxes have been used in lots of other parts of the country for many years. Drop boxes are just part of the election process. There's no controversy over them.
But here in Wisconsin, a 2022 ruling left Madison officials locking up the boxes and even painting them black and white, listing alternate instructions for ballot return.
Why it's become a political litmus test, election issues are a touchstone right now. And it's hard always to know which of these issues is going to wind up being a political hot potato.
Supporters of the boxes say they make voting more accessible.
They may have really busy lives. They may not be physically well. They may simply want to avoid the lines on election day.
But dissenters say the boxes interfere with election integrity.
Concerns that the drop boxes are not a safe and secure way for voters to return ballots. That does not seem to hold up when looking at the evidence.
Others say the ballot collectors aren't explicitly approved by state law. But Barry Burton, director of UW-Madison's Election Research Center, says no matter the party, he's confident the return of the boxes will result in more votes tallied.
I think both parties realize it's an essential part of a very complicated, multifaceted campaign strategy that will involve voting in person and voting early and voting by mail. I think now just part of the election process in Wisconsin.
The Madison Clerk of Court says it'll take a while to get the boxes, most of them located at the city's fire stations, back open and running, but they will be available for the fall election.